So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to make Amazon Flex account in Australia. So first, you need to download your Amazon Flex on your mobile phone, and then once you downloaded it, click the open. Once you already in, just click the create an account, which is located at the bottom. Once you click on that one, it will redirect you to this page wherein you should input your first and last name, your email address, as well as to create a password for your account. After that, you need to click on create Amazon account, and then a verification code will be sent on your tendered email recently, and you just have to put them on the boxes for you to able to submit the code. After that, you'll be able to click the get started button, which is located at the bottom. Once you click on that, you are now on the list. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.